Here's a full day of eating to get shredded as a human who avoids poison. Meal 1 going down, loaded with bioavailable nutrients, essential amino acids, high fat, high protein, low starch. Here we've got our protein on the side and very high in fats, optimizing brain function. We have 2 tins of mackerel fillets loaded in olive oil. Here at the front, we've got our potassium, which is 1 avocado. Here on the side, we've got our low starchy carbohydrates, blueberries and 2 apples. Let's go. Meal 2 going down, just finished my lift. We got our fast acting carbohydrates on the side here. We got 300 grams of dates, great for post-workout. We got our electrolytes at the back here. We got watermelon, only 200 grams. That's enough post-workout. Here we've got beef mince, our protein source, 300 grams, topped with sea salt, a powerful aspect. And here in this cup, we got 300 grams of water mixed with creatine and glutamine. The perfect meal post-lift, optimizing body composition and health. Let's go. Here we've got meal 3 going down, super filling, super